Hello YouTube. Today I want to share the results of my ice bath on Saturday. And this was a cold one. It was like 38 or 39 degrees in the pool. I've been building up to this for the past month and a half. Ever since I bought the kiddie pool and my buddies bought me a freezer for Christmas, I've been putting it to work. So dumped the ice cubes in there. The ice cubes weren't fully frozen, but the water was already really cold. It was like 42 or 43 before I put the cubes in there. But definitely build up to this. I wouldn't recommend just trying a 10-minute ice bath out of nowhere. I'm sure some people can do it and some can't. But I started a month ago, just 30 seconds, and then I worked up to a minute, like a week later, and then week later 2 minutes, and then a couple weeks after, or like a week after that, I think I got 4.5 minutes. Then the week after that I got 7, and then here we are to the next week, or to this week, working with a full 10 minutes. I didn't put a timer on or anything. It was kind of crazy because I got out of the bath like right at the 10-minute mark, so that was cool. The surrounding temperature of the air Saturday night was right about 33 or 34. So there's like a little bit of frost coming out from my breath, but I didn't just jump right in. You'll notice I kind of stepped in, and then I submerged my legs, and then I submerged my upper body. So I'm kind of acclimated right now, and I like to move my body around a little bit, and that brings some awareness back into the body, because it's easy to just relax and kind of forget that you're in freezing water. Something about it, you just release. You don't feel it so much. After a while you start to release hormones that increase your resistance to the cold. Once I get done moving, I'll start breathing deeply, not too quickly. I'm not trying to use the Wim Hof breathing method here or anything, just trying to sit it out. I don't make an effort to mentally fight the cold. I try to relax and not shiver. I find myself wanting to go in and out of shivering when I'm in the water. Sometimes I'll shiver in my legs a little bit, sometimes in my abs, and then sometimes I don't feel the need to shiver at all, but I just relax through it. The benefits I've noticed off of taking these ice baths, one big one, I've always had not great circulation in my hands and feet, and I felt like if anything was going to get cold during the winter time, it would always be my hands and feet. And this has improved. This has drastically improved my foot circulation, and my hands are improving pretty well too. Not quite along in line with the feet, but they're doing better. I always sleep really well after I take these ice baths. They say you shouldn't really. The best benefits are not seen if you do it right after a workout, but that's usually when I do it, just because I'm already like out there and me and the fellas are working out, and the timing just goes well. But every once in a while, while I'm in the bath, I kind of like move around to get some motion back in and make sure I'm still able to feel my extremities to some extent. Now, not to say they're mostly numb, but I just try to make sure I feel them. And I'll get out once I'm really, really shivering. Right here, there's some minor shivering in my abdominals and my legs. I think my adductors were like kind of quivering because I did some deep squats before this ice bath here, and I was holding my legs in position that whole time. So I think they were kind of tired. But I'll change the position of my legs sometimes and just focus on the breath. And as Wim Hof himself says, do not think too much, just be. Anyways, and you can see I'm like turning, I'm turning pretty red in my torso. I think the only thing that isn't red is my chest, and it's because it's like out in the open. But everything else is starting to turn pretty red. We're right here at the 7-minute mark, and I'm trying to remember what I was thinking about. I wasn't really thinking about much of anything. I just know. Yeah, I guess I wasn't really thinking about anything because I was in this flow state. I wouldn't even say it was like a fight or flight. Um, I see definitely not a sympathetic nervous system activity. I didn't feel any of that. Um, with the mindset of embracing the cold, I more felt like parasympathetic, relaxed nervous system activity. Um, right here, you can kind of tell that I'm more in an aroused state, and the sympathetic nervous system was starting to kick in. But for a while, I was I was kind of relaxed. Felt good. I didn't have any like mental noise. That was nice. That was nice.
That's at least a song. Observe the Hoff pump. Observe your skin constricting around your muscles because of the cold.
So these are discomfort stuff. That's the cut down.
Yeah. Some
John
John
Walker Cuddy.
Summertime Cuddy.
Yeah, maybe not this summer, but maybe next summer. I feel like
That little
November's
summer
the
cut.
winter month.
A little summer cut in there, maybe.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Maybe April. Not a whole lot to lose.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Don't take
Like,
that long.
yeah.
Don't take that long with dry nutrition. In the sun, you're sweating off. Sweating it out.
Just work out harder. No, I
You
can
don't
tell
do
you
it
that.
with cardio. You don't do it with cardio.
So in about a minute or so, the shivering gets to be a little bit too much, and that's when I decided to go ahead and hop out, which just coincidentally was at the 10-minute mark. So um, I don't know how it ended up like that. It's like my body knew that 10 minutes was right on time. It's almost like I had that time perception in my head, but it was a long 10 minutes. I won't mince words. It was a long 10 minutes. Um, so when I got out, I just tried to get dry quickly. Um, I walked inside, tried to dry off quickly. That way, you want to go ahead and head inside and try to get warm and dry um, before it gets too cold on your skin. So that's where the frostbite risk comes in. So yeah. Went upstairs, took a lukewarm shower, and came back downstairs. It felt like I was cold for the rest of the night, but I'm sitting here now, like 3 days after, and I feel great. I feel like I was out in like 40-degree weather today, and my hands felt good. And they usually get cold, but they felt good today. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Help your guy out.